It's the Weather Xtreme video. It's the morning edition for Wednesday, August 12th. I'm James Spann. Hey, a nice dry air mass dropping in here today. It's going to feel pretty good for the middle of August. Check it out. It's a high amplitude pattern. Got the heat ridge well to the west, a nice upper trough over the eastern U.S. Brought a surface boundary down through here yesterday, and that is going to set up lower humidity and a cooler night tonight for the northern half of the state. Even this morning feels pretty good. Fort Payne down to 64, Cullman at 67. Those cooler pockets up there should be closer to 60. Tomorrow morning, it'll be a great night for viewing the peak of the Perseid meteor shower. The better viewing after midnight tonight, but the sky will be clear and it's going to feel very, very nice. No heat advisories. In fact, really much of the country quiet. Heat advisories for parts of southeastern Texas, including Houston, and an excessive heat watch out in the deserts of the southwest United States. Look at that. No storms to deal with today, which is very odd for August. Typically, we have the chance of scattered afternoon storms every day this time of the year, but not today because of the dry air. And really not much rain for the next 5 days. This is valid through Monday morning, suggesting hardly anything for the northern half of the state. I do think we could see a storm in spots by Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, but nothing widespread. A little heavier totals near the Gulf Coast, but even down there, you'll see 7 to 9 hours of sun each day with just a passing storm from time to time. And it's a new day, but it's an old forecast for the tropics. Nothing for the Atlantic Basin. Amazingly quiet in this El Nino year. Hey, model fans, here we go. The GFS, the 06Z run, valid today at 1 o'clock. This is at 500 millibars. You can see the high amplitude look, a trough off the Pacific coast, ridging over the central U.S., and a trough over the eastern states. And again, for us, just great today. Sunny, low humidity. The high will be around 90. You're not going to need a jacket or a sweater here. But again, the humidity will make it feel better. Dew points will likely drop in the 50s today. Early tomorrow morning, going to feel good. A touch of fall. Tomorrow, the high will be around 90. Again, the humidity stays low. No rain. Friday, pretty much the same deal. And there might be a little afternoon shower in spots, but most everybody will stay dry. The GFS is printing a high of 89. And for the weekend, the blazing heat is west of the state, around the Four Corners, a 597 circle out there. It's hot. Phoenix will probably do 110. And for us, a little weakness here over the southeast United States. And again, Saturday should be a partly sunny day. A few spots might see a storm or shower in the afternoon, but don't think it'll be too widespread. And with those lower heights, I'd say highs for the weekend between 88 and 91. Same thing on Sunday. There could be a shower or storm in spots, but you know the deal. They'll be kind of random and scattered. Next week, evidence that showers and storms will be increasing in coverage. The GFS printing a high only in the upper 80s on Monday, and the same thing Tuesday. Maybe scattered to numerous showers and storms with that weak upper low that's kind of drifting around through here. And this is Wednesday. A week from today, heights beginning to come up. Look at the big trough in the western states. That'll dent that heat for our friends out there. And again, for us, a fairly moist air mass, so partly sunny, maybe a few scattered storms. And again, the GFS is showing a high only around 88 on the operational run. This is the end of next week, Friday, August 21st. Main westerlies are up in Canada. And again, pretty typical summer weather there. Warm, muggy, a few scattered storms. Numbers coming off the ensembles, that's not too bad for this time of the year. You can see highs dropping back really in the upper 80s for Friday, Saturday, and Sunday with low 90s for much of next week. And nice to see that 63 early tomorrow morning. And the CPC guys have that above average temperature look. This is for August 19th through August 25th, but I'm not so sure if they're above average. It won't be by very much. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this morning. We'll have notes in the blog. Next video here by 4 o'clock today. If you can't catch us this evening on the live stream or the television side, ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.